Today I'm going to make chicken sauté with hash browns. Olive oil, onion, chicken breasts, salt, pepper, tomato paste. And now I'm going to add cumin. What was it? And now I'm going to add cumin, marjoram, and sweet paprika powder. Hot water. Let it simmer for 15 minutes. Thicken the sauce with flour dissolved in water. Let's peel this potato. Add salt, pepper, 1 egg and flour. Mix everything well. You can make whatever shape you want. Let's freeze it. 30 minutes is enough. Let's fry it! Write me in the comments if you could do this when you were 10.